Carbohydrates are the body's greatest energy source. They provide the body with glucose to use for energy, which can also be stored, as glycogen, for future use. Carbs also play a valuable role in gut health, by providing useful fiber to the digestive tract. Glucose is the preferred energy source for muscles during strenuous exercise. It is only when the body's glucose supply is depleted that it turns to fat for energy. The body also requires glucose to fuel multiple unconscious biological processes. Glucose is essential fuel for the brain, aiding in concentration. Carbohydrates play an important role in generating the brain's serotonin supply. This mood-regulating hormone is made with tryptophan, an amino acid obtained through protein in the diet. Carbs help convert tryptophan into serotonin, so eating carbs may help enhance mood. This might explain why carbs and sweet foods are often treated as comfort foods. There isn't enough research to show that consuming higher quantities of carbs or protein-rich foods containing tryptophan supports mood improvement in humans. However, it may be the case that low-carb consumption causes low mood. If you've ever been on a diet that involves avoiding carbs, you may have experienced mood swings and found it hard to concentrate. You may have also felt fatigued. Serotonin is converted to melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate circadian rhythm. Carbohydrates can be divided into three categories. Firstly, monosaccharides. Mono means one, saccharide means sugar. These are carbs in their most basic form. Examples are glucose in pasta, fructose in honey, and galactose in dairy, and disaccharides are when two monosaccharides bond chemically. Examples are lactose in dairy, sucrose in corn sugar, and maltose in molasses. Complex carbs, also known as polysaccharide, comprise many monosaccharides and also contain starch in varying levels. Less starchy complex carbs include broccoli, zucchini, tomato, and eggplant. Examples of starchier complex carbs are potatoes, beans, and corn. Digesting carbs in the small intestine, the less starchy complex carbs are broken down into simple carb. All non-glucose monosaccharides are converted into glucose in the liver, which is released into the bloodstream. It is either used immediately or converted into glycogen, a polysaccharide of glucose, which is stored in the liver and muscles for later use. Fiber refers to any complex carbohydrates that cannot be broken down by the digestive enzymes in the small intestine. This fibrous matter moves into the large intestine, where it helps produce highly useful short-chain fatty acids and nourishes the lining of the gut. Good and bad carbs. There is no such thing as an inherently good or bad carb. All foods have a place. It's about finding the right balance for your own body. As a general rule, carbohydrates in their natural, fiber-rich form are more nutritious than those that have been stripped of their fiber content. Fruits and vegetables are excellent sources of carbohydrates. There's a strong case for reducing refined carbs, like white bread, and opting for complex carbs, like whole grains, which release energy slowly. While refined carbs are great for providing energy quickly, they usually lack essential nutrients. Many grain-based processed foods in the U.S. are fortified or enriched with vitamins and minerals.